So part two on the Stihl Yard Boss. I wanted to show you taking the brush off. I need some weed trimming to do. I have weed trimming to do, so I'm going to put the trimmer on. Thought I'd show you how to do that. So here we go. A simple couple of clips. No big deal. I like to put the clips back in so that way nothing's lost. Keep everything together because I won't need this again until I use the brush again. So, and then same thing on the other side. Just real quick and easy. Set that all to the side. And I don't have my tool for this because it's in my other chainsaw, so we just grabbed a Torx, and I think this one's too small, so right here. Or too big, I should say. See if this one's the right size. Oh, that one's too small. Alright, let's see if we got the right one here. Have to get a ratchet, they're too tight. Alright, now we should be in good shape. You use this differential, I'd imagine a gearbox. That's for the tiller and for the brush. I'll show you the tiller when we're ready to use that for the garden. On top of that, now we can take the guard off here. Same size. Now we take. Now we use our other guard and put the trimmer on. Alright. Now you don't really have to use this guard for here, but kind of helps when you're weed whacking, and it keeps things away because of the guard that's already on the trimmer itself. Kind of slide that up there. I like to make sure there's a nice amount of grease in there, which there is, and then basically you just slide your trimmer on just like that, tighten it up, and then what I like to do just to make sure should be good to go. Alright, let's get ready, we'll go trim. Okay, got the fuel topped off. Got some safety gear on. I do use chainsaw chaps when I'm weed trimming. Helps keep my pants clean, and sometimes you can get nailed pretty good with a rock or something. I also wear a face shield too. Gloves are very important as well because you never know with poison ivy. So little safety tip out there. But we're going to see if I can hold the camera and fire this thing up at the same time. She's been sitting for a while. Matter of fact, I think from the last video I made. So here we go. Prime it up. Choke. Warm up for a second. One thing I like about this, like I said, now look here, I don't have to carry this to do my weed trimming. And it has pretty much the same end as a standard Stihl. I don't exactly know which one that is, but there, have the extra guard on besides the weed trimmer. Helps keep debris coming back at you. So here we go. I'll show you what I do here. Throw my gloves on and go from there. Alright, up here to our first bush and give it a try. There you go, by far. I need both hands to finish doing this, but as you can see, for me, it's a lot of money for an investment. I have it for quite a few years. I have no real complaints of this thing so far, but so there's the part 2 using a weed trimmer and a weed trimmer change and a Stihl Yard Boss MM55. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe and the like button, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and keep on wrenching.